Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Techno mobile setting friends. In this video friends I will show you how can you customize your font size setting in your Techno phone. Friends, you want to customize your font size, so friends you can customize yourself. And guys, now let's see how to customize, and guys how can you use your font size setting in your Techno mobile. In this video friends I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to customize your font size, then guys scroll it. So friends, you can set display and brightness setting. Friends, tap here and guys scroll it again, and guys you can see your font size setting. Friends, tap here so you can see your font size setting guys. So you want to customize, so guys you can customize yourself guys, small size, default size and large size guys. You can customize yourself. You want to default, you want small, so you can small from here guys. So example होगा, you can see this preview small font size, so as you can see font small size. So like that guys you can customize guys, you can change into small and default and large size. So I hope friends you have understood how to customize font size in our Techno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.